scout for a tree. We were hoping for 6-footers. This isn't like deer hunting. We will feel like hay.
Go ahead and put the pink one on. See any good ones? But that one right there, do you see it? Remember, we only have to see the front of it.
Yeah,
because it's going to be behind.
Ooh, what about that one?
One part will be to the wall. Like the only way you could tell it was pine was to break the needles and taste them. So I want one that smells up the whole room.
You know, they're all kind of thin,
Lexi, here's
but
a little treat for you.
not the shape we're looking for. So we'll keep on looking.
Fragrance of pine. Guys, look at the rabbit tracks. I don't remember why that is, but when there's one in the back and 2 in the front, it's rabbits. Let's head up that slope.
Hang on. Here you go. The shorter one or the taller one?
I bought this one right here. This one in the middle.
I believe we have a winner. Oh, a little taller than the
It's
ceiling.
8 foot 6.
That'll just touch the ceiling. No room for the angel, though.
8 foot 6. Okay, smile, honey.
Thank you for the tree, honey. And now we've realized it's not about the perfect tree. Get the trees and get back on the road before everybody gets tired and crabby. And so we aren't as fussy about trees because once you get them home and decorated, they're beautiful. That sure smells good.
Reputation is being about.
Let it snow, let it snow. The weather outside is frightful, and the fire is so delightful. But the lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
We had real success. We filled all our tags and had a good time. So we're ready to go for hot chocolate now.
When we finally
Kiss goodnight. How we love going out in the storm.
I love going out in the snow.
All the way home we'll be warm. All right, that was good.